Hello, class. Welcome to week two. And this week we will be going over a few things, mainly just to kind of have a discussion focused on what you'll be learning this week. And I do encourage all students to make sure that they're reading all content that's in the class because the lecture covers a high level of the information. But I need you to also dive deeper into the content. So let me go ahead and go into full screen mode. Give me just a second. Welcome to Fashion Marketing and Global Consumer Behavior Week 2. I am Dr. Kay Han, and I will be going over our lecture material. Make sure to read the content that is inside of the course for more context. I hope you had an engaging start for last week as we explored the fundamentals of fashion marketing and its connection to consumer behavior. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of consumer psychology and the buying process within the context of fashion. The objective, we're going to dive into the psychological factors influencing consumer decisions. We're going to explore the various psychological factors that play a pivotal role in influencing consumer choices. This includes perception, motivation, attitudes, and the emotional aspects of consumer decision making. Understanding these factors will help you create marketing strategies that resonate with your audience on a deeper level. We're also going to examine the consumer buying process in the fashion context. We'll take a closer look of how consumers navigate the path from recognizing a need to desire to making a purchase and how this process differs in the context of fashion. You'll gain insight into the stages of problem recognition, information share, information search, evaluation, alternatives, purchase, and post purchase evaluation. We're going to analyze case studies to better grasp consumer behavior dynamics. To bring theory into practice, we will analyze real world case studies that showcase the application of consumer psychology in the fashion industry. These studies will illustrate how brands have successfully understood the leverage consumer behavior dynamics to their advantage. Now, let's dive into the psychological factors influencing consumer decisions. Perception, motivation, and emotional facets are what we're going to dive into. We'll explore the critical aspects of perception, motivation, attitudes, and the emotional facets of consumer decision making. Perception. Perception is the lens through which consumer views the world and the profound influences their buying choices will make. It's about how they interpret and make sense of the information around them. So let's say a consumer walks into a store and the consumer is focused on the advertisements and how the products are being displayed. They might see that they have visited one location and the products are displayed one way versus another location and the products are displayed another way. The reason for that will be based on the consumer demographics that are in that area, the shopping behaviors of those demographics based on like historical data. When people have shopped in a store, what are the products that they're looking for? How does that resonate with the details that we have within the store when it comes to like we have a product displayed a certain way? How does it resonate with the customer? In the fashion industry, brands strategically use elements like design, color, and packaging to shape consumer perceptions of their products. Let's explore how these concepts work. Motivation is the driving force behind consumer decisions. It's about understanding what compels people to act, whether it's the desire for self expression, belonging, or the need to solve a problem. Grasping these motivations allow marketers to create compelling campaigns that resonate with the audience.